Hey, welcome to my channel, and this video is for the Orly lovers. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and watch my other video. That video will take you through on how to order your Orly season pass, but the purpose of this video is to basically show you the season pass for holiday 2018. So here we have the Holiday Deep Wonder, and this is an insert card. Very colorful, very nice. Okay, so like I said before, this is the 2000 Holiday 18 box. Okay, so you get a description on all of the colors that will be included, all of the nail polishes, and you get bonus items. So here we have a Pravana Intense Therapy Treat, Orly Cuticle Therapy Cream, and then the Get the Look Cosmic Path tutorial. So step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. And at the bottom here, they give a credit to the artist. So I think this is really nice that they included this. So let's go ahead and look at each item. The first item is the Orly Cuticle Therapy Cream. Hydrates cuticles and stimulates nail growth. And I always do have issues with my cuticles getting really dry. I can, add cuticle oil and then they will still seem dry. So this is a really good product, I think, to try out. The Holy Grail of Cuticle Cream. Okay. Let's see what is next. And these are really nice size bottles. It said that this is a bonus, but look how big this bottle is. Intense Therapy Treat. 2 ounces. Extra Healing Mask. So we'll try this out too. Very nice. Nice size bonus. Like those bonuses. And then here we have the Deep Wonder nail polishes. I always love Orly because their nail polishes are always, you always seem like you get so much with their nail polishes. Container is very heavy and the colors are Mystic Maven. Beautiful. Wild Wonder. Very nice for the Christmas season. Cosmic Crimson. Lucid Dream, Nebula. Oh, this is so pretty. Retrograde. Okay, so that is the Deep Wonder collection. And like I said before, if you have not ordered your Orly pass yet, and you're just watching this video just to see what is included, make your decision and then head over to orlybeauty.com. Like I said before, I do have a video on how to order your season pass, so if you want to check that out. So thanks for watching. Woo!